Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore deleted photos in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open Photos app and then scroll down to the Utilities section. Then click on Recently Deleted. Now here you will see a recently deleted photos. Click on the photo and then click on recover. Now click on recover photo to recover this photo, and the photo is recovered, and here you can see that photo in your photos library. So that's how you can restore deleted photos in iPhone 15 Pro Max. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.